Nature's wealth, good for your health. This is the Raw Life Health Show. Raw Life. Hello everybody, this is Paul Neese with the Raw Life Health Show. Thank you for checking me out today. I'm really excited because one of my favorite products that's been off my website for a couple of months is now back in stock. And I'm sitting right here next to a moringa tree, and it is Moringa Powder. Moringa Powder is so important and healthy, and I'm a supplement type of guy because we just can't get everything we need from the standard food today that we find in the supermarket, even in a health food store. And when I discovered Moringa, right away I was so impressed with it. And you could do research on the internet. It's called Moringa, M-O-R-I-N-G-A. You can do research with it. It has 92 nutrients and 46 types of antioxidants. It's, I mean, they use this in places like Africa and other places as their basic nutrition. Right off the tree, they get the leaves. Well, these are the leaves just dried. And yeah, it's on my website again now. It's on sale, actually. Moringa Powder, go to rawlife.com. I'll put the link below the video so you could check it out and order it if you'd like. Also, I'm also going to put some videos at the end of this video. And the videos at the end of the video are going to be with some other videos I have interviewing the fellow who grows this moringa and just more information about moringa. So if you don't have moringa powder in your home cabinet, you need it in there. I put it in my smoothies. Sometimes you gotta have it in water, in your juice. Just have moringa powder on hand in your house. And you know what? Here's something else I want to say before I end the video is, for a while I stopped carrying it because I was unable to get them, and I could have carried other different moringa products. I could have got moringa powder from many other different places. Most of the moringa out there today comes from India and other places. They're just not as clean and nutritious, or as can I say, as nutrient dense as this moringa powder that I have found. I find this to be much better. It's organic, and everything from the processing to the packaging is completely clean. I have pictures on other videos. I know the owner of this company, and I definitely recommend it. Moringa Powder, this one, and you can go on the website and check that out. And yeah, rawlife.com. The link is below the video. I'm actually going to go make a shake or a smoothie or something and put it in this today. Super antioxidant, high nutritious moringa powder. There you go. All right, until then, everybody, put your comments and questions below the video if you've taken moringa powder before and you have anything to say about it. If you've taken this moringa powder versus other moringa powders, I know you have good to say because it was one of the best-selling items on my website, and people keep ordering and ordering. And I got it at the super low price. And yeah, so put those comments and questions below the video. Thank you very much. Have a great day and a great raw life.
Nature's wealth, good for your health. This is the Raw Life Health Show. Raw Life, brighten up your life.